Hello and welcome to eToll-Free's Cloud Phone System tutorials. Let's talk about Call Broadcast. Call Broadcast in Cloud Phone System allows you to broadcast calls to a defined list of phone numbers. This feature is useful for sending out mass notifications or reminders. Here's how to set it up. Now let's create a call broadcast. Go to Applications, then Call Broadcast. Click the plus button on the right, then fill out the necessary fields. Name. Enter a name for the call broadcast. Start time will pull up a calendar to set the date and time you want to send the call broadcast. Timeout. Set the amount of time in seconds until hang up. Concurrent limit. This is used to pace the calls. If the timeout was 60 and the concurrent limit is 100, then 100 calls would be scheduled every 60 seconds. You can leave this blank. Caller ID name. Enter the name that will be used on outbound caller ID. Caller ID number, enter the number that will be used on outbound caller ID. Destination number. This is the internal number to call. You can send the call to an IVR menu or some other number. If sending to a conference room, make sure the room has a PIN number or requires user input to avoid adding voicemail messages into the conference room. Phone number list. Enter the list of phone numbers to call in the call broadcast. This is the external number to call. Set a list of phone numbers, one per row, in the following format. You can also click the sample CSV file to know more about how to upload the data. Voicemail detection. Set this to true or false to detect an answering machine. Description. Enter a description to help organize and label what the call broadcast is for. Once you have everything filled out, click the call broadcast name you just created. On the top right, click the Send Broadcast button to start the call broadcast. To stop the call broadcast, click Stop Broadcast on the top right. Remember, call broadcast is a powerful tool for reaching a large number of people quickly and efficiently. It can be used for a variety of purposes, from sending out reminders to broadcasting important announcements. And remember, our customer service team is always here to support you. Should you have any questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to click the bubble icon at the bottom right corner of the page. We're here for you whenever you need us. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to enhancing your experience with our services.